Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be making some coconut curry oxtail. I really need not to say more. You guys know I love coconut. So here are my ingredients that I'll be using to season up the oxtail, right? So let's jump right into it. And even though I say I need not say more, I'm gonna say more, of course. So here I'm adding some salt to the oxtail, and of course I'm going in with some onion powder and some garlic powder. Get that all over it, girl. So I'm just trying to get the seasoning, just help myself getting it, cover most of the grounds. And here I'm going in with some all-purpose seasoning because of course we need to taste it up, so I added some of it. And here is my beloved blended seasoning. This have everything in it. It's so good. Onion, garlic, I put some sweet pepper in it, I put some ginger in it, just all the good things, pimento. And of course, this is curry, so we need some good, proper curry powder, and that is Better Pack curry powder. So I'm going ahead and I'm trying to get it everywhere. And now we are going in for the rub, a dub. But guess what though? I can hardly really go in and massage it into the oxtail because these bones are tripping. They are so sharp. So I have to be there just, trying a little thing. So here I'm adding the rest of the all-purpose seasoning vibes. So I'm do not stinge on the all-purpose seasoning because the food need to be flavored, right? It need to taste good. So get up on there with that. And this is it. All done. Look at my oxtail, all seasony. Looks so goody. Yes. And this was the day before, by the way. So I put it in the fridge and this is the next day. It's filming day. Yeah, let's film. So here are my other ingredients, the rest of the ingredients that I'll be using today to really cook up this treat. Oxtail is one of my favorites, so it is a treat. So yes, 24 hours worth of marinade up on this oxtail. You know it's good. So here I'm adding a little bit of oil, and there it is. That's the amount, because Vibes Fam, oxtail really spring oil. Like it has a lot of oil in it. So after you cook it, and when it settles, look into your pot and see how much oil in there. So I don't really like to add a lot of oil when I'm cooking my oxtail, right? So I went ahead and I added a pack of the curry powder, and I'm just going to let that burn a bit. So I'm just trying to get the oil everywhere in the pot so that, the curry powder has somewhere to land in some oil. So yeah, go ahead and give that a stir, and then after I finish stirring it up, I'm gonna leave it for 2 minutes to get burnt out. And here it is after 2 minutes, right? So when you do that, it's like you partially cooking the curry, right? You helping it along the way in a major way. So yeah, so now we're gonna go ahead and add the oxtail to this hot oil. Some of these oxtail were so big. So Vibes Fam, what you want to do now is to sear the oxtail. So you want to go ahead and mix it up in the oil, mix it until it's forming like little juice, and then you cover it and leave it for 10 minutes. And this is it after 10 minutes in its own juice. So what I was saying is you stir it up. Once you pour it in the oil, the oxtail in the oil, just continue stirring until it like stops sticking to the bottom of the pot, if it's sticking any at all, and once all of the oxtail is seared, you touch all of them, and you see like a little juice coming out, you just cover it for 10 minutes. And vibes fam, this is it. I love this part. I love to see when the meat make its own nice little juice. So of course, the bowl that we season the oxtail in, I'm gonna go ahead and add some hot water, because we are going to be pouring some hot water into that pot. But of course, we want to try and see if we can get some of this nice seasoning into the water, right? So yeah. And if you don't want to do this, of course, you don't have to do it. But definitely pour some hot water into the pot and not cold water, right? So yeah, go ahead and pour it. Make sure you push your oxtail to the side, right? And pour it in there. And of course, I'm going to add some more, right? Because we're trying to get a lot of water in the pot, because we're going to leave this to cook at least for about an hour, right? On medium flame. So yes, leave that, cover it for an hour or hour and 10. Honestly though, oh, here I'm adding some ginger. I added some ginger and some garlic. But what I was going to say is definitely leave it for at least an hour, but make sure you peep in to the pot every now and then, right? If you want. So 1 hour. And vibes fam, look at that. This is so cooked. It's nice and soft, like the smaller pieces. Some of it, it's just, the meat is just falling off the bone, right? Yes, it is so good. So of course mine was, I left it for a little more than an hour, right? And yes, so it's basically cooked. So now we're gonna go ahead and nice it up, right? So here we're adding some pimento. I'm adding a little bit of water. Please take note of the water. Do not drown your oxtail, just a little bit of water. I added some onion, thyme, sweet peppers, right? Trust me, it helps with the taste. And some chopped up scallion, right? And then you want to go ahead and stir that. Now, as of now, vibes fam, I'm not really going to go in and be stirring my meat. So do this according to how your meat, if your meat is really cooked. Mine is just a little bit softer than I would want it to be at this point, which is fine, because when I was eating it, it was falling off the bone. Just amazing, right? So yes, so I'm not really doing too much stirring, right? Here I added some turmeric. This is a tablespoon of turmeric powder, right? You don't have to add that, but it does give the curry. If you've never tried, try it. But yeah, you don't have to add it. You can leave that out. But yes, so I'm not really mixing up the meat, or so I'm just trying to use the spoon and go between the meat. So here I'm adding the coconut milk. Oh my. Oh, and also, so you notice there wasn't much liquid in the pot. That's the next thing too. Once your oxtail dry out, like, it cook for the hour and the water boil down, don't be too quick to add too much water to it, because remember, you're going to be putting coconut milk in it, right? And you don't want your oxtail to be in a lot of water. Like, you have to be there for a long time trying to get it to simmer down, right? So yeah, go ahead and try to incorporate the oxtail and the coconut milk. And we are going to leave this to cook for 20 minutes. So I just added a little bit of Scotch bonnet pepper, and we're going to cover it down for 20 minutes, a nice 20 minutes. And then lift it up, the reveal, bubbling after 20 minutes, bubble and bubble and bubble away. So of course, we're going to be adding some other niceness. This is optional. I'm adding some butter beans and some carrots. All optional. You don't have to add it. And if you're not going to add it, then at this point, basically, you would be done. right? As long as you juke your meat, juke your oxtail, and it's soft and tender, then you would be done. But I like butter bean and carrot in my oxtail. So if you like something else, oh, some people like spinners. So then the spinners, you would be putting in the spinners at this point in time, right? So yes, ooh, hey, butterbean. So I was showing you that the meat is falling off the bone right there. So you're gonna go ahead and cover this for 10 minutes. But first, let me add some black pepper, right? Some black pepper. And Vibes fam, guess what? This is red meat. So of course the redness will be popping out sometime through the curry oxtail. That is fine. You just need it to taste good. So yeah, cover it for 10 minutes. And let's look at beautiful bubblation. Hi oxtail. Vibes fam, this is it, done, all done. And I wanted to show you how I was stirring it up and thing. Vibes fam, I don't know, the camera just stopped record. But this is it, all done. And Vibes fam, here we have it, a pot of coconut curry oxtail. So delicious, so divine. Check it out. Check it out. It's so good. So you just need a good curry. You need some good coconut milk, right? And make sure you season it well. And 24 hours is best. It tastes better. But thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Vibes fam, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. God bless you. Thank you.